Today, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade chicken nuggets. Now, I don't care whether you're an adult or a kid and you love these things, they are delicious. They're a great little snack, sometimes a fast meal for us, but I don't advocate driving through the drive-thru to pick them up all the time. This is not good for our budgets, it's not good for our health. I'm going to show you how to make some chicken nuggets and then store them in your freezer so you can take them out and have them ready and cook them up for your children or cook them up for yourselves anytime that you want them. And the good news is then you have your choice. Do you want to air fry them? Do you want to bake them? Or do you want to pop them in to a little bit of oil on top of the stove and pan fry or deep fry them? So you have lots of options when you make your own. Let me show you the secret ingredient to all chicken nuggets that you will make at home. Instant mashed potatoes. Who knew? Okay, this is actually going to give the chicken nugget some filler. It is going to be a binder. It's going to help us bind that chicken meat together. And on top of it, it's going to stretch your budget a little bit because it makes the chicken go just a little bit further. All right, we'll be back in just a moment. All right, now that I've got my apron on, let's get cooking, shall we? You could always start with already ground chicken. However, I like to grind my own. That's how much meat is ground up in just one chicken breast. Next up, let's get the chicken into the bowl. I started with mine just a little bit frozen. I'm going to make sure that it's all broken up and shredded properly. Add the garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, celery salt, and thyme. Thyme tastes wonderful in chicken. Little bit of salt, and next, those potato flakes. Let's get that all mixed up before moving on to our next step, which is to crack open our egg. Whisk it with a fork. Now, we're getting set up to go ahead and get our nuggets made. We have our egg mixture, we have our flour, and our breadcrumbing. But we also have a bowl of water, and we're going to use that to wash our hands in between when they get sticky. All right, let's go ahead and grab a little bit of our chicken mixture and form our patties. Now remember, you want to keep them small because they're nuggets. We're going to go ahead, once we have it formed, we're going to put it into the flour, then dip it into our egg, and then finally into our breadcrumb mixture, and make sure that it is coated all around. Now let's go ahead and we can set that down onto a sheet pan, and we will continue on making the rest of our nuggets. Here are all the nuggets that we made. Now let's go ahead and get them fried up. My oil has to be at least 350 degrees to fry, and then your nuggets have to reach a temperature of 165 internal before you can remove them from the pan.